Come on, man, what the fuck is you doing, cuz? Fuck!
My patience is waning. Is this entertaining?
Your patience is waning.
Is this entertaining?
I got this feeling, yeah, you know where I'm losing all control, 'cause there's magic in our bones. So let me spell it out. B, D, F, and your mom, and your job, and that shit you call art.
Looks like I'm best and you're the worst.
Spiritual fire how your physical butt.
It looks like I'm best and you're the worst.
Spiritual.
Barely 2 words in, and you already look like you want me dead. You're getting all worked up over nothing. You've changed. You're getting weak.
You will fear me.
I recognize you, but I'm not afraid of you. Not anymore.
Barely 2 words in, and you already look like you want me dead. You're getting all worked up over nothing. You've changed. You're getting weak.
Hey, Italian man! Huh?
What is going on here? Oh! Can I shut the fuck up here?
That is actually a very good question. So, people who go around and hate on others either have a low self-worth or they have a big problem with their own life. So they think that they are ugly, or I don't know, they get bullied at school, they have a difficult family situation. They try to comprehend that by making others feel bad. So they are laying on the ground, they are completely drowned by their own life. They feel bad and they want you to feel bad too. They want to see you as broken as they are. They see you making your own content and being happy about their own life, and that's what they can't stand. A person being happy. What they are trying to do is to make you feel just as worthless as they feel. So what you can do is either not take them seriously at all, so just laugh at their comments and to be like, oh, poor kid is feeling bad about themselves. Or you can just completely ignore it, because they want a reaction from you. They want to feel that adrenaline from this person feeling pissed off by you. So I'm not gonna be pissed off by them. I'm either laughing about them or ignoring them. In the end, I do feel a little bad for them, because they are little kids. They don't know what they are doing, and they are trying to comprehend a big problem that they face by that. So if someone is commenting a skull emoji, sometimes I reply with, hey, do you want to talk about your problem? And in a lot of cases, these people actually want to talk about their problems. I actually feel kind of honored if someone hates me, because that means that they spend a lot of time with me. If you hate someone, they take a lot of place in your head, and I take that and I'm like, hey, they think a lot of me. That's a fan in disguise. the internet is making this whole situation a lot worse because people are anonymous. I always stumble upon that word. But anyways, if you comment under someone's video as Sausage Hunter 123, I don't know, no one will know who you are. Yeah, you are completely private on here, like a secret agent. Someone to their face, your nose looks ugly, takes at least a little bit courage, because you have to say that to the person in their eyes. Yeah, and this bullying on the internet does not take any courage, because no one knows who you are. So these people just lay around in their bed all day. They are not doing anything with their lives. They are resting on other people. That sounds like a very good life to me. That was sarcastic. They are feeling terrible about their lives. And that's what they want to feel. And that's what they want to make you feel too.
Привет, Ваня. Офицер.
Я здесь, папочка! Привет, Ваня. Офицер!